Hey, what's up guys? Today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link of where to buy. So today I have the Smile Direct Club brush head. Every 3 months swap a new brush head to your Smile Direct Club electric toothbrush to make sure you're getting your cleanest clean. So it does come with the brush head and it comes with a AAA battery. It's pretty cool. It comes in a nice little box like this. Now let's get it open and show you exactly what it has. Okay, inside the box comes just like this, your brush head and a AAA battery. So when you change your brush head, you change your AAA battery. I don't know how long will the battery last, but if it doesn't last that long, you put another one. So this is the brush head itself. It has Smile in the back. It clips in right into the Smile Direct toothbrush, electric toothbrush. It's very soft, very nice. Well, that's it. In my description, there will be a link of where to buy. Thanks for watching.